Namaskar. From national security and politics to international diplomacy and changing weather patterns, the day witnessed several major developments across India and the world. The government is preparing to create India's first dedicated drone force with 50,000 personnel. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh held a high-level national security review in Jaipur. Bihar geared up for a major cabinet expansion amid speculation over Nishant Kumar's entry into politics. Political tensions escalated in West Bengal following the killing of Shubhendu Adhikari's aide, and a tragic boat accident in Uttar Pradesh, Hamirpur, drew national attention. Meanwhile, Donald Trump remarks on US-Iran relations and fresh weather alerts across several states also remained in focus. Here are today's Technia Top 10, and I'm Riva Balia. India is set to establish its first dedicated drone force with nearly 50,000 personnel. Special drone units will also be created within the BSF and ITBP. In the event of any military attack, this force is expected to serve as the country's first line of response. The government aims to strengthen high-tech border surveillance and enhance rapid strike capabilities. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh arrived in Jaipur on the anniversary of Operation Sindoor to chair a high-level national security review meeting. He described Operation Sindoor as a symbol of national resolve. Key discussions are expected to focus on border security and future military strategy. The tenure of the 294-member West Bengal Legislative Assembly officially came to an end today. Political activity and election preparation across the state have intensified, with all major parties working on new alliances and strategies. The coming weeks are expected to heat up Bengal's political landscape even further. A major cabinet expansion is to take place today at Gandhi's Maidan in Patna. Speculation is growing over Nishant Kumar potentially taking oath as a minister. Around 27 ministers are expected to be sworn in, while 6 positions may remain vacant. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, and several senior leaders are likely to attend the ceremony. Political tensions escalated in West Bengal after the killing of Chandranath, an aide to Shubhendu Adhikari. In North 24 Pargans, attackers reportedly stopped his vehicle and shot him 4 times. Another BJP worker was also reportedly fired upon in Basirhat. The BJP has called it a political conspiracy, while the TMC has demanded a CBI investigation. A major accident occurred in Uttar Pradesh, Hamirpur, after a boat capsized in the Yamuna River. 6 people, including 5 children, are still reported missing. 3 SDRF teams are continuing intensive search operations. The administration has stated that a detailed report will be submitted to Chief Minister. The court is expected to deliver its verdict today on the appeal challenging the acquittal of the accused in the Sohrabuddin case. Hearings in the matter have concluded in the Bombay High Court. The verdict is being closely watched by both political and legal circles, as the case has remained one of the country's most debated legal battles. Donald Trump claimed that talks between the United States and Iran are progressing positively. He said tensions between the two nations could end within 24 hours. According to Trump, Tehran is willing to refrain from processing nuclear weapons. However, Iran clarified that no final agreement has been reached so far. The Zimbabwe women's cricket team is set to tour India for the first time. The two sides will play 3 one-day internationals and 3 T20 matches in October. This will mark the first ever bilateral women's cricket series between the two countries and is being viewed as an important international opportunity for Indian women's cricket. Rainfall and strong winds affected 9 states, including Uttar Pradesh. In Bihar, 2 people lost their lives due to lightning strikes and hailstorms. In Jaipur, water was spared on roads to provide relief from the intensive heat. The Meteorological Department has issued rain alerts for Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. National security, politics, international diplomacy, tragic accidents, and rapidly changing weather conditions. Today's developments have shaped headlines across the country and beyond. India's proposed drone force signals a new chapter in the nation's defense capabilities, while political developments in Bihar and West Bengal point toward an increasingly intense political season ahead. Amid shifting weather patterns and evolving global events, stay tuned to every important update because news is not just about today's events but also about the direction tomorrow may take. Thank you.